Dad, I tried to trick ChatGPT and it was both impressive and creepy how well it handled it.
That's a completely normal reaction. Today we're going to understand exactly why it does that, and why it sometimes fails spectacularly.
What did I try? I asked it if it was conscious. It gave a really thoughtful answer.
It gave a statistically likely answer about consciousness, drawn from millions of essays on that topic. Thoughtful sounding, not actually thinking. The core task of a large language model is laughably simple: predict the next word. That's it. Do that 1 trillion times, you get ChatGPT.
That's IT. My phone keyboard does that. It's terrible at it.
Your phone keyboard learned from your texts. GPT learned from basically everything ever written by humans. Scale is everything here.
So the model just got really good at autocomplete.
So good that emergent abilities appeared, things nobody programmed and nobody expected. Like doing math, writing code, or translating languages. Before text goes in, it gets chopped into tokens. Tokens are word pieces, roughly 3/4 of a word on average.
Why not just use whole words?
Languages have millions of words, including typos and weird names. Tokens reduce that to a manageable set of around 50,000 pieces that cover everything.
And the model predicts the next token, not the next word. Got it.
Right. And it gives a probability distribution for every possible next token. It picks from the top ones with some randomness. That randomness is called temperature. High temperature, more creative, weirder outputs. Low temperature, more predictable, conservative answers.
So if I wanted to write a weird poem, I crank the temperature up?
Exactly. And if you need exact code or a factual summary, you want low temperature so it stays grounded. Training had 3 stages. Stage 1, read the entire internet. Predict next tokens. Adjust weights. Repeat for months on thousands of GPUs.
What's RLHF? That sounds like an airport code.
Reinforcement learning from human feedback. Humans rated different ChatGPT responses. This one is helpful, this one is harmful. Model learned what humans prefer.
So thousands of people basically had to sit there reading AI responses all day. That sounds awful.
It was a lot of human labor, often poorly paid. AI has a human cost that doesn't get talked about enough.
Okay, why does it make stuff up then? If it's so well trained?
Because it's completing patterns, not looking up facts. If the most likely next token after Einstein was born in, is 1879, it says that, right or wrong.
What if it doesn't know? Does it say it doesn't know?
Modern versions often do. But earlier models would just confidently invent a fake answer that sounded plausible. Fake citations, fake scientists, everything.
A lawyer got in trouble for using fake AI citations in court. I read about that.
Yes, and the judge was not impressed. Always verify anything critical. AI is a first draft, not a final source. Context window is how much the model can see at once. Think of it as short-term memory. Early GPT had 4,000 tokens. Now some models have 2 million.
So older ChatGPT would forget what you said at the start of a long conversation?
Exactly. Scroll far enough back and it's like you never said it. Bigger context windows are one of the most important improvements recently.
So LLMs are basically very good at sounding right. They're not actually right.
Mostly right, mostly useful, occasionally wrong in weird ways. Think of it as a brilliant intern who hasn't fact-checked everything they know.
The most confident intern ever. I know that person.
We all do. Next time, how AI sees the world, computer vision.